Oh my god.
Walking pretty good. Looking pretty good. You don't look handicapped.
Huh?
You don't look handicapped.
And what? And that's your business?
Yeah, you parked in a
Is that
handicap
your
spot.
business?
Yeah, you're parked
Is
in a
that your
handicap.
business?
Yeah, you parked in a handicap.
You want to do something about it?
I just think it's kind of.
You want to get the out the car, do something, so I can whoop your ass?
You know you're being recorded, right?
Huh?
You know you're being recorded, right?
You know I'll whoop your ass, right?
Might be.
I'll beat you like a pinata.
Type of guy parked
You
in a
know
handicap
that,
spot. Tough guy.
Okay, do something.
You're a tough guy.
Do something. But you're the tough guy pulling up.
Yeah.
I'll beat your ass like a child, man.
Okay.
Man, I'll scrape your face all over this concrete, man.
Okay.
You know it too.
Okay. Nice park. You'll be on the news.
Holy roll. You just roll heavy.
Unit Channel 11063 for Lincoln 20 on 165.
Put your hands up!
I'm headed to him from 40 and 440. Right now.
Alright guys, get a load of this one. Check out this attempted head-on accident. Boom. Okay, so now here's what I do. I said, hell no, I'm gonna get a plate. And I'm gonna call 911. I'm gonna report this. Well, let's see what happens. So I speed up and I try to catch up to the vehicle, and then I'm able to get his license plate and report him. But actually, here's what what went down. I followed him for a little bit, and then the dispatch operator told me, no, don't do that. We don't want to incite road rage and yada yada. So go back to the gas station and wait for the police. Look at the way the sheriffs pulled up on me, like I'm the criminal, and they blocked me in. I was expecting them to just park side by side next to me, not like that, blocking me in. But check it out here. So I've shown the clip and all that. They didn't ask me no other questions, and then they just left, and that was it. End of interaction.
Jesus